Have you ever noticed the Powered by link in the footer of your Shopify store? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove it from any kind of theme. Hi there, I'm Morgan. I'm a Shopify expert and partner since 2015. I have designed more than 5,000 websites over the past 10 years, and I'm actually handling more than 20 brands in Australia. I'm here to help you grow and manage your Shopify store. So first we're gonna head to the down team and we're gonna remove the code from the down team. I'll preview the store. Oh, first we're gonna tap footer in here, up, and then we're gonna type store forward. Alright, normally this is the one forward by link we are looking for. Right now it's not in the store, so we're gonna remove my codes and we're gonna check it out. Okay, so you can see that is powered by Shopify in the down team right now. So now we have two options. You can just delete it. So you take this line and up, you delete it and save. Or you can hide it in case, well, we never know. I do not like to delete and I will just suggest to hide things like this. So you will put this kind of coding called comment. You add it before and you add it after. So it just needs to be one space. I will copy paste this code into the description. And then you see it's gray. Okay, that's working. And then you save it. And here we go. It's gone. So now I am going to show you into Tinker Team. This is another Shopify free team. It seems very new, this one, so they all pretty much work the same. So if you have a different team, I would recommend you to when I remove my cards. I will recommend. So what do you do when you have, if you have none of this team? Just go for footer, okay? So you type footer here. Then it's looking here. Okay, we take the first one and we're looking for forward link. It's not here, so see, obviously it's gonna be in the copyright, but you go to search, Control F, and in here type forward, up, and is here. So this is the shop name, so we need to keep this. We need to remove only this one. Up, where is it? See, this is here. And now I am going to add this little code. So command up, and here we put an and. See, Shopify is suggesting for you, so you don't really have to write anything. And then we go and click save. Now if I'm going to my store, this is gone. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you would like to support me, please subscribe and hopefully I will see you in another video.